I grew up in Charleston, West Virginia. All my family still resides there. So I'm the one lone bird that flew the coop. And I spent a fair amount of my childhood on a family farm in Greenbrier County, West Virginia. And the farm was a Black Angus beef cattle farm. And so I have a lot of fond memories of working on the farm with my family. And I think that contributed to some of my work ethic. My focus with Regan Atwood surrounds community association law, real estate litigation, and creditors' bankruptcy work. With community association law, I'm representing homeowners associations and condo associations in their collection endeavors, usually relating to a claim of lien, foreclosure. The real estate litigation really deals with any dispute regarding real property. A lot of times researching to see whether the homeowner or the lender has title insurance. Given my background with title insurance, in the title insurance industry, a lot of times there are remedies that are afforded under the title insurance policy. Part of my legal experience, I was an in-house counsel for a Fortune 300 company that administered title insurance claims. And that was a huge exposure for me, in that I was administering title insurance claims throughout the country. Florida was a heavy focus of mine for about 7 years, with one of the cases going all the way to the Florida Supreme Court. So working on the legal strategy and editing the briefs and instructing my legal counsel on how to proceed with the case was an invaluable experience to not only go through the trial court stage, but then through the appellate stage and going through oral arguments with the Florida Supreme Court. Additionally, I handled cases throughout the country, including one matter in South Carolina that was appealed to the United States Supreme Court. So those collective experiences in handling these title insurance cases has been an invaluable experience for me in my real estate litigation practice. Growing up, I was into martial arts. At a pretty young age, I had a second-degree black belt in Taekwondo. And later in life, I started to do triathlons and run. But one of the other areas that I really liked exploring was kickboxing and jiu-jitsu. And I was fortunate to take just more of an aerobic kickboxing class, but it was taught by a couple gentlemen that were at least 75 and won in world competition in jiu-jitsu. And based upon my prior background with martial arts, they took me in and showed me some of the ropes in jiu-jitsu and aikido, and allowed me to spar with them in the ring on a handful of occasions. And I survived it.